There she is. Happy New Year's.
Why do you do this to me?
Happy New Year. It's day 2, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We got a little fire going, and we're having some coffee. And I think today we're going to meet up with some family of mine that's out here. I mentioned that yesterday. I think we're going to do a dirt bike ride this morning. I'm not really sure. Everybody's kind of a little loopy this morning, so yeah, I think we're doing a dirt bike ride, and then we're probably going to take the side-by-sides over to that camp, meet up with them today, and hopefully do a group ride. So hopefully I can get Haley in the car today. I don't know if she's up for it. We'll get a whole pot of coffee in her and see where it goes. But it's going to be a good time, guys. Happy New Year's, day 2. Enjoy the video. We'll check back with you in a bit. All right, so Randall and I are going to head out on this ride, and John's going to go do some exploring on his own. His bikes are plated, so I think he said he was going to go down to the wash, go down to the vendor row and go explore and stuff like that. Me and Randall are going to go get a ride in and then come back and load up the cars and head over to my my family's camp down there in 14. So gonna go get a ride in this morning. Fun.
Unbelievable. Oh God.
That is too good.
Oh God, that was so good.
I love the fresh sand.
Yep. Just enough line so you can kind of see where people had gone.
Yeah.
Damn, that was so good.
Well, we're hanging out for the time being. Wind picked up. It's like 25 miles an hour right now, so everybody's just kind of hanging out in the motorhomes and trailers, and we're gonna let some time pass. Everybody's just snacking, having lunch. Ride was bitching though with Randall because the wind had just blown the dunes all night, so it was like super smooth. It was perfect. That was a perfect ride. So we're gonna let the wind die down hopefully in a little bit, and then we're gonna get loaded up and go for a car ride. So that's it. Just mellow right now. Check back with you in a bit. Well, we're gonna head down and meet up with the family that I have down in Wash 14. Head over there and see what's going on, see if we can do a group ride with everybody. was a good time. That was such a kick-ass ride. Nobody got sick that I'm aware of, but man, what a really, really good time. Thank you to my cousins Kyle and Cody, and we met up with their buddy Kevin. He was in the Can-Am 4-seater, and then my Uncle Harlan was in the Funco you guys saw, and that was just a badass ride, and Randall was with us too. Kick-ass time. It is 3 o'clock, and we just got back to camp. We're going to be showering up, cooking dinner soon, probably making cocktails here very momentarily. And I think that's it for today. So we'll probably meet up with all those guys tomorrow morning, do some more riding, and that's it. So we're probably going to sign off for the day. She's getting some cards ready, because we're going to have a good time playing cards tonight.
Yeah, Russian's on too. It's fun.
And it's Taco Tuesday.
Oh yeah, it is.
Mexican food tonight. Yeah, carne asada. It's gonna be a good time. Whiskey. So anyways, guys, thank you. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And with that, we're gonna sign off and see y'all tomorrow for the final day. Bye.